a lot of users with Samsung Galaxy phones have got one UI home keeps stopping error. It keeps popping up randomly while using their phone, and for some of them, it keeps showing up during or right after a software update. If you're experiencing the same problem on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, here are some steps that you can try to fix it. Alright guys, so as it happens, basically for software glitch, whenever it happens, just go ahead, restart your device once. If it still keeps happening after the restart, now just go ahead, open up settings, scroll down for apps, tap on this three dot. First, just tap on reset app preferences, and then just go ahead, tap on reset. Now after that, tap on this downward arrow and enable show system apps, then press OK. Now search for One UI Home. Now first of all, if it's happening right after the software update, just go ahead, tap on this three dot, and from here just go ahead uninstall updates of your One UI Home. And then scroll down the same section to storage, first clear cache, and then tap on clear data and then delete. Now lastly, if it just keeps happening randomly, just check for a software update from settings, scroll down for software update, to download and install. If an update is available, just go ahead and install it on your S25. Thanks for watching.